Welcome, tech enthusiasts and lifelong learners. Today, we're diving into a goldmine of knowledge that's completely free and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. We're talking about the incredible online courses offered by the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology Madras, or IIT Madras for short. Now, before we jump in, let me tell you, choosing just 5 courses from IIT Madras's extensive catalog is like trying to pick your favorite stars in the night sky. There are so many brilliant options. But fear not, we've done the hard work for you and narrowed it down to 5 courses that are not only popular but also incredibly valuable in today's tech-driven world. First up, we have the Programming and Data Structures course. If you've ever wanted to dip your toes into the vast ocean of computer science, this is your perfect starting point. It's like learning the ABCs of the digital world. You'll dive into the fundamentals of programming and explore the intricate world of data structures. Trust me, this knowledge is the backbone of any tech career, whether you're aiming to be a software developer, data scientist, or even an AI engineer. Speaking of AI, our second course is all about machine learning. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard this buzzword thrown around everywhere. But what exactly is machine learning? Well, this course will demystify it all for you. From the basic algorithms to more advanced techniques, you'll learn how to teach machines to learn from data. It's like giving computers a brain of their own. Third on our list is Python for data science. If data is the new oil, then Python is the drill that helps you extract its value. This course is perfect for those of you who want to harness the power of data. You'll learn how to manipulate data, create stunning visualizations, and perform complex statistical analyses all using Python. It's like becoming a data wizard with a Python wand. Now, if you're ready to take your AI knowledge to the next level, our 4th course on deep learning is your ticket. This is where things get really exciting. You'll delve into the world of artificial neural networks, the technology behind facial recognition, self-driving cars, and even AI-generated art. It's like peeking into the future of technology. Last but certainly not least, we have big data technologies. In today's digital age, we're generating more data than ever before. This course teaches you how to handle and analyze these massive datasets using tools like Hadoop and Spark. It's like learning how to drink from a fire hose of information without drowning. Now, you might be wondering, why should I choose IIT Madras courses? Well, let me tell you, IIT Madras is not just any institute. It's consistently ranked as one of the top technical institutions in India, and its reputation extends globally. By taking these courses, you're learning from some of the brightest minds in the field. But here's the best part, all these courses are absolutely free. That's right, you heard me correctly. You get world-class education without spending a dime. It's like having a genie granting your wish for knowledge, but without the 3-wish limit. These courses are not just about gaining knowledge. They're about opening doors to new opportunities. Whether you're a student looking to supplement your education, a professional aiming to upskill, or simply a curious mind eager to learn, these courses have something for everyone. Imagine impressing your peers or potential employers with your deep understanding of machine learning algorithms, or your ability to wrangle big data. Picture yourself building innovative applications using your newly acquired programming skills. That's the power these courses can give you. But remember, while these courses are free, they're not a walk in the park. They require dedication, effort, and a genuine passion for learning. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards are immeasurable. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of knowledge? Are you prepared to equip yourself with skills that are not just relevant today, but will shape the future of technology? If your answer is yes, then what are you waiting for? Head over to the IIT Madras online learning platform and enroll in these courses today. Remember, the links to all these courses are in the description below. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from the best, absolutely free. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on tech education and career opportunities. Until next time, happy learning!